The power of compound interest. Grow your wealth faster. Welcome to this informational video where we'll be discussing the power of compound interest and how it can help you grow your wealth faster. Ever wondered how some people seem to grow their wealth effortlessly? The secret lies in the power of compound interest. It's not magic, it's mathematics. Compound interest is interest on interest. It's the result of reinvesting interest, rather than paying it out, so that interest in the next period is earned on the principal sum plus previously accumulated interest. Imagine having a savings account with a $1,000 initial deposit and an annual interest rate of 5%. With simple interest, you'd earn $50 each year. However, with compound interest, that same $50 earned in the first year is added back into your account. So, in the second year, you're earning interest on $1,050 instead of the original $1,000. Over time, this difference becomes significant. The critical factor here is time. The longer your money has to grow, the more powerful compounding becomes. So, the sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to compound and grow. Remember, it's not just about the amount you invest, but also the length of time you invest. Even small amounts can grow into substantial sums over a long period, thanks to the power of compound interest. This is why it's so important to start saving and investing early. Even if you can only afford to save a small amount each month, the compound interest earned over time can lead to significant wealth accumulation. Think about your financial goals. Perhaps you want to buy a house, fund your child's education, or retire comfortably. Whatever your goals, compound interest can help you reach them faster. It's important to understand that compound interest can work both ways. It can help grow your savings, but it can also exponentially increase your debts. So, always borrow wisely. Now, let's talk about frequency. The more frequently interest is compounded, the greater the overall return. Daily compounding can yield more returns than annual compounding. So, always check the compounding frequency. The great Albert Einstein once said, "Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it, he who doesn't, pays it." So, understanding this concept can make a significant difference to your financial health. In summary, the power of compound interest lies in its ability to multiply your money over time. It's a potent tool for wealth creation, provided it's started early and given enough time to work. To maximize the benefits of compound interest, start investing as soon as possible, even if you can only afford small amounts. Remember, compound interest is a long-term game. By understanding and harnessing the power of compound interest, you can grow your wealth faster and achieve your financial goals more quickly. It's a simple yet powerful concept that can dramatically change your financial future. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you now understand the power of compound interest and how it can help you grow your wealth faster. Until next time, happy investing!